Hi, welcome to forex-strategies-online.com. In this video, I would like to show you a forex trading strategy called Neptune Forex trading strategy with exponential moving average, Bollinger Bands and awesome oscillator indicators. So the indicators used in this strategy are exponential moving average indicator, Bollinger Bands indicator and awesome oscillator indicator. These are the three indicators we are using in this strategy, and the strategy is called Neptune Forex trading strategy. I will show you the settings of these indicators. To show this strategy, what I have done is I have put a clean chart on this MetaTrader platform. So this is the clean chart I am using for showing this strategy. And the currency pairs for which the strategy can be used is any major currency pair we can use for this strategy. The first thing is this is a scalping strategy, so we have to use currency pairs which have small spread on them. For example, we can use this strategy for Euro US dollar. Normally many brokers give around 1 to 2 pips of spread for Euro US dollar currency pair, and if you have like any broker giving a small spread for GBP US dollar, we can use this strategy for this one, and we can also use this strategy for Australian dollar and US dollar also. So these are the currency pair. Again, the currency pairs are any major currency pair we can use for this strategy, and the time frame the time frames for this strategy are 1 minute chart or 5 minutes chart or 15 minutes chart or 30 minutes chart. So we have to use this strategy only on 1 minute chart or 5 minutes chart or 15 minutes chart or 30 minutes chart. We cannot use this strategy on any time frames other than these four. So these are the four time frames that we can use this strategy on. And for showing this strategy, let us put the indicators first. The first indicator is an exponential moving average. So okay, here is the moving average. You just click on this one, and the period we have to use for this moving average is 3. MA method is exponential. Apply to close. You can use any color here. I am using a blue color, and select some width here so that we can clearly see the indicator on the chart. Again, the settings for this moving average is period is 3. MA method is exponential. Apply to close. You can use any color and select some width. So these are the settings for this moving average. Click OK. Okay, so this is the exponential moving average indicator. Now let's put a Bollinger Bands indicator on this one. Okay, this is the Bollinger Bands indicator. Click on it. The period for this Bollinger Bands indicator is 20. Deviations is 3. Apply to close. Use any color. I am using a medium sea green color here, and select some width here so that we can clearly see the indicator on the chart. Again, the settings are period is 20, deviations is 3. Apply to close. Color is any color you want, you can use that color. Select some width here so that we can clearly see the indicator on the chart. Click OK. Okay, so this is the Bollinger Bands indicator that we have put on this chart. The third indicator is awesome oscillator. So this is the awesome oscillator indicator. Click on this one. You can use the default settings for this awesome oscillator. Just use the default settings. Click OK. And I'm changing the width of these lines here so that I can clearly see the indicators on the chart. Okay, I have selected some width here so that I can clearly see the indicator. Okay, now this is the awesome oscillator indicator. Okay, now the strategy for this one for the Neptune system is, okay, I'll show you the strategy here. Okay, the strategy is first of all, the strategy should be used only during US market timings or London market timings, because that's when normally the currency pairs are trending. But during Asian markets, normally the currency pairs are in a range market, so you should not use this strategy for range markets. You should use this strategy only for trending markets. So you have to use this strategy only during US or London market timings and not during Asian market timings. So during US or London market timings, just wait for the this is the strategy for a long signal. Just wait for the 3 exponential moving average to cross the middle Bollinger Band in the upward direction, and at the same time the awesome oscillator indicator should be increasing in its value. So if you check at this point, the 3 EMA exponential moving average is crossing the middle Bollinger Band in the upward direction, and at the same time the awesome oscillator is increasing in its value. So this is a buy signal. The stop loss for this one is you can use a stop loss below your entry candlestick or below the middle Bollinger Band, whichever is lower. In this case here, if you see this one, let me zoom in. Okay, in this case, if you see here, the candlestick is the low, below the candlestick is the lower value, so we have to use a stop loss below the candlestick, and the take profit is target for 10 pips and exit the trade, and that is what the take profit is. Or you can also use a take profit of whenever the awesome oscillator changes its color. That one also you can use to exit the strategy. If you see here at this point, the awesome oscillator has changed its color. So once you enter here, you can wait it until this point where the awesome oscillator has changed its color to red color, and you can exit here, or you can normally come out with a take profit of 10 pips. So this is the entry strategy for long entry using this strategy, and for a short entry, again, wait for the 3 exponential moving average to cross the middle Bollinger Band in the downward direction. So here, if you see, the 3 EMA is crossing the middle Bollinger Band in the downward direction. So this is the entry signal for a sell position, and at the same point, the awesome oscillator should be should have its value decreasing. So if you see here, the value of the awesome oscillator is decreasing. So this is your entry point here. So this is where you can enter the you can go for a sell trade and target for 10 pips, and you can exit the strategy, or wait for until the awesome oscillator changes its color. So if you see here at this point, the awesome oscillator has changed its color, so you can wait it until this point and you can exit the trade, or you can normally go for a 10 pips here, and the stop loss should be above the middle Bollinger Band or above the entry candlestick, whichever is higher. So here, if you see, the entry above the entry candlestick is the higher one, so we have to place our stop loss here, and take profit is again, like I have already mentioned it, take profit can be you can exit the trade for the 10 pips, or you can wait until the awesome oscillator changes its color to a different color. So here the awesome oscillator has changed its color from red to green, so this is where you can exit the trade. So this is called the Neptune system, and we are using 3 indicators here. One is a 3 exponential moving average, and another one is a Bollinger Band, and another one is awesome oscillator. So this is a strategy. I hope this strategy is useful for you. And if you would like to download the template for this strategy, you can visit my blog forex-strategies-online.com. and if you'd like to know more strategies, again visit my blog forex-strategies-online.com, and you can find a lot of strategies there. And I hope this strategy is very useful for you. Thank you.